Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever imagined how a filling station machine works? It's a question that tickles the mind, isn't it? We interact with these machines regularly, whether it's to fill up our cars, trucks, or perhaps even a jerry can for the lawnmower. Yet, many of us don't fully understand the complex mechanics at play beneath the surface. These filling station machines, or fuel dispensers as they're technically known, are marvels of modern engineering. They consist of several integral components, each playing a crucial role in the process. From the display unit that shows you the price and quantity, to the nozzle that dispenses the fuel, and even the underground tanks that store vast amounts of gasoline or diesel, every part is meticulously designed for a specific purpose. So, let's dive into the world of filling stations and unravel the mystery behind their operation. In the next few minutes, you will discover the secret behind the operation of these fascinating machines. To understand how a filling station machine works, first, we need to get familiar with its basic components. At the heart of any filling station is the fuel dispenser. This is the machine that interacts directly with the customer and the vehicle. The fuel dispenser is equipped with a pump that draws fuel from the underground storage tanks. It also has a flow meter to measure the amount of fuel being dispensed, and a nozzle that directs the fuel into your vehicle's fuel tank. Next, we have the control system. This is the brain of the operation. The control system manages the flow of fuel from the storage tanks to the dispenser. It ensures that the right amount of fuel is pumped, that the flow of fuel is stopped when the customer's tank is full, and that all transactions are recorded accurately. Last but not least, we have the underground storage tanks. These are large, often cylindrical tanks buried beneath the filling station. They hold the different types of fuel that the station offers. Each tank is connected to a specific fuel dispenser through a series of pipes and valves. So, in essence, the operation of a filling station machine involves these three key components: the fuel dispenser, which pumps the fuel and interacts with the customer; the control system, which manages the flow of fuel and records transactions; and the underground tanks, which store the fuel. Each component plays a vital role in the overall operation of the machine. The dispenser ensures that the fuel is pumped accurately and safely into the vehicle. The control system manages the entire operation, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently, and the storage tanks hold the fuel, ready to be pumped when a customer drives into the station. It's a complex yet fascinating process, and it all happens in the blink of an eye. Each time you fill up your vehicle, these components work together seamlessly to deliver the fuel you need to keep your vehicle running. Now that we have a basic understanding of the components, let's dig deeper into the process. The process begins when you, the driver, pull up to the pump and select your fuel type. At this initial stage, you are faced with a variety of choices: unleaded, premium, diesel, or perhaps even an alternative fuel. Each selection corresponds to a specific underground tank filled with your chosen fuel. Once you've made your selection, the control system of the pump springs into action. This is the brain of the operation, a sophisticated network of computers and sensors working tirelessly behind the scenes. It communicates with the underground tank corresponding to your chosen fuel type, preparing it to dispense the fuel. The control system ensures the accurate measurement of fuel and its smooth delivery up to the pump. It verifies the level of fuel in the tank, the pressure, and the temperature, all vital parameters to ensure a seamless and efficient fueling process. Once the fuel type is selected, the real magic happens. The stage is set for the fuel to begin its journey from the underground tank to your vehicle's fuel tank. After the fuel type is selected, the dispenser comes into play. Now that we've set the stage with the basics and the initial process, let's dive into the heart of the matter: dispensing the fuel. Imagine the fuel dispenser as a dutiful and precise waiter at an upscale restaurant. It's programmed to serve the exact type of fuel you've ordered, down to the last drop. Here's how it works. The dispenser is connected to an underground storage tank via a series of pipes. Each tank holds a different type of fuel, be it regular, premium, diesel, or any other variety. Once you've selected your preferred fuel type at the dispenser, it sends a signal to the control system, essentially placing an order on your behalf. The control system, acting as the head waiter, confirms the order and directs the pump to draw the specific fuel from the corresponding underground tank. At this point, the magic happens. The pump, which is basically a motorized device, starts sucking the selected fuel up through the pipes against gravity and into the dispenser's chamber. Now the fuel is ready to be served, but it's not a free-for-all. The control system keeps a tight rein on the amount of fuel being dispensed. It's programmed to stop the pump once the preset amount is reached, or when you release the handle, preventing any spills or overflows. As the fuel flows out of the nozzle and into your vehicle's fuel tank, the dispenser's meter keeps track of the quantity. This meter is calibrated to ensure accuracy, so you get exactly what you pay for. It's a seamless process, all regulated by the control system, ensuring that you get the right fuel in the right quantity every single time. And just like that, your vehicle's tank is filled up. It's a complex dance of selection, control, and precision, all happening behind the scenes, all to ensure that your ride gets the fuel it needs, when it needs it. So the next time you're at the pump, you'll know exactly what's happening when you hear that familiar click of the nozzle. So that's how a filling station machine works in a nutshell. To sum up, a filling station machine is a complex yet fascinating piece of machinery. It begins with the underground storage tanks, where the fuel is stored. The submersible pump then pushes the fuel up into the dispensers. The fuel dispensers are the parts we interact with the most. They house the metering system, which measures the amount of fuel being dispensed, and the nozzle, which delivers the fuel to our vehicles. Each component plays a critical role in the process, ensuring that we can safely and accurately fuel our vehicles. And let's not forget the vapor recovery system. This often overlooked component is responsible for capturing and returning harmful fuel vapors back to the storage tank, making the whole process environmentally friendly. Next time you visit a filling station, you'll know exactly what's happening when you fill up your tank. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.